We're moving on to some other news that is coming in from the poll-bound state of Assam. Amid the Assam Assembly election campaign, a fresh war of words has erupted between the Congress and the Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. CM Sharma has strongly rejected the allegations that his wife holds multiple foreign passports and undisclosed properties abroad. Congress leader Gaurav Gogoi has then hit back, accusing Himanta Biswa Sharma of lying for a very long time. Gogoi has said that the Congress party will expose all the lies regarding the Chief Minister's family, properties and businesses abroad. Let's in fact listen into what he said.
हजार झूठ बोल सकते हैं, इतने दिन से झूठ बोलते ही आ रहे, अपने परिवार के संपत्ति को लेकर, अपने परिवार के विदेश में जो उनके व्यापार है उसको लेकर सारा ये झूठ का पर्दाफाश कांग्रेस पार्टी करने वाली है। इससे पहले कहां उन्होंने अवैध तरीके से जमीन लिया, उसको हमने अपने समय परिवर्तन यात्रा के द्वारा सब लोगों के पास ले गए, तब तो कुछ बोल नहीं पाए कि माजुली में कैसे जमीन लिया, स्कूल कैसे बनाया, रिजॉर्ट कैसे लिया, कृषि भूमि को 6 महीने के अंदर उद्योग भूमि कैसे कर दिया। सारे तथ्य हमने शामिल किए और मुख्यमंत्री चुप रहे। इसमें भी सारे तथ्य बाहर निकलेंगे। प्रश्न साफ साफ ये है कि क्या आपके परिवार के नाम पे दुबई में गोल्ड कार्ड है कि नहीं, क्या आपके परिवार के नाम पर दुबई में प्रॉपर्टी है कि नहीं। तीसरा, क्या आपने ये चीज अपने इलेक्शन एफिडेविट में डिक्लेयर किया है कि नहीं। साफ साफ उनको डिस्क्वालीफाई होना चाहिए, ईडी का केस होना चाहिए और हमारी सरकार आएगी तो इनके सारे जो अवैध प्रॉपर्टी है, अवैध बिजनेसेस हैं, जो सारे जो गाय की तस्करी से लेके कोयला माफिया तक इनका जो संपर्क है, सब पर विशेष रूप से कार्रवाई किया जाएगा। इन पर कानूनी
Let me go across to my colleague Nibir, who's with us on this broadcast. Nibir, obviously we have been tracking this war of words between the Congress and the Chief Minister of Assam. But here we have Gaurav Gogoi also make certain statements, make allegations and saying that the Congress will expose all the lies.
Well, absolutely. This is a big issue coming in ahead of the elections where the Congress has, tried to make some serious allegations against Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, saying that there are financial irregularities in his election affidavit. The Chief Minister also, on the other hand, held a press conference today in Guwahati where he has countered these allegations that being manipulated by AI and fake forgery done via Photoshop. So that has been the official response of the Chief Minister so far. But the bigger question here is just ahead of the elections, the issue of his family's assets have been at the center stage, which these allegations has revealed by the Congress party. But the Chief Minister has responded one by one point, saying that all these were created artificially just to create a narrative ahead of the election. So these are the two different narratives, one by the Congress party and one by the Chief Minister, which responded by the Chief Minister going about on social media right now.
All right. Thank you so much, Nibir, for all that information. We are moving on to some other